Okay, tubers, so I'm in the shower today, you know, and of course, a line screw one, he only showers with the shades on, because that's the proper way for a line screw to shower. So I got my shower head, and I'm getting ready to lather up, you know, getting her done. Because, you know, cleanliness is next to godliness, as some people say. And then what happens? I hear like, sounds like a gas leak. Oh my God, what's going on? Let's get her done and figure it out.
Nothing can make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing.
So I isolate the sound to down here underneath this access trap, down into the hot water heater. And oh, somebody loves me, they texted me. And it's not the gas, it's the water. Hot water tank failure after about 40,000 hours of leaving this thing on 24/7 for years. And that's probably, you know, I added a few thousand hours for the previous owners. Oh, somebody loves me again. Quit loving me! Quit texting me, you people that love me. What's wrong with you? I'm trying to do a video. So anyway, so it's spewing water out, so I had to throw a towel down there, and I got a heater going to dry that off, because thank God I got on top of that quick, and I was here. Another lucky break for water leaks, because if you don't catch them quick, throw towels down, you are in big trouble, and you're looking at serious problems. So it looks like my Suburban SW6D, it's a purely gas unit, has failed. The tank has finally corroded through, in spite of me replacing the anodes and doing the flush. There's only so many hours you can get out of this, folks, so I am looking to get a tankless unit, but they're so damn expensive here in Canada, especially with the shipping fees and the conversion from American to Canadian dollars. So we'll have to price shop what is the most practical replacement. I may have to go with the original, but if you know, the better tankless system can fit in here and isn't more than, I don't know, about $1,700–1,800 bucks, I guess I would like to go tankless. But hey, I'm off to Hawaii, so this boy's got to do some cold showers tomorrow before I hit the road to Hawaii. So you can feel sorry for me. So I'm going to start doing my begging. So feel sorry for me. I got to heat some water up on the sink there, like 19th century style. If you could see it in your heart to provide me with some money to fly first class to Hawaii and to get a new tankless system, I'd love to do some e-begging for that. So hey, God bless y'all for giving me your hard-earned money. Instead of feeding your own children, you can give it to me. Just kidding, folks. Don't give me any goddamn money. It's my problem, and Canadians are proud. If anybody's got a good line on a good price, maybe I might have to ship this to one of my American friends in Washington to save on some shipping costs to get a replacement. That might be a good idea. So it's the Suburban SW6D. It's purely a gas unit. Anybody got a good price on that? Let me know, or some advice. Maybe if I could go to a electric slash gas unit. If I can get a hybrid unit that'll fit in this exact dimensions, I'd definitely go for that. I don't know. What do you guys think? In the meantime, you won't hear from me until Hawaii, so this is it, folks. So remember, stay safe out there, folks. I'll see you in Hawaii. Aloha, take care of yourselves, and remember, don't give me a goddamn dime.